Check out this 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, running boards, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.